this stuff's like super concentrated.
I didn't know I was getting into
know.
this.
Oh, you're gonna love it. It's fun.
So
You like
top-
crafts? You like crafts? I know.
Yes, you know what? And
gonna
then
love
I
it.
should show you when it's completely
Yeah,
done.
you could do that. That's the perfect amount.
Okay.
Just a little bit and just kind of dust it on there. Just on all the outer. It's
Oh,
pretty.
ain't that pretty?
I like that.
Ooh. Ooh. This is the 1800 piano bench legs.
Wow.
Say that again, Margaret.
Pardon?
Say it again.
This is a late 1800s square piano bench legs. And it goes onto a round cylinder that looks like cherry. And then I'm redoing the seat with a green velvet and French. Oh, is this ever pretty?
It looks really good. Looks like brand spanking new.
Oh my
I mean,
gosh.
vintage new, you know. It just gives it
But
a
ain't
new.
that pretty?
But see how like, even if you wanted to keep some of the patina, you
Yes.
could just do sort of the accented areas.
Oh,
You know what I'm saying?
oh, okay.
That's another way that people can just kind of, like it's a dusting of it.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
That is beautiful.
Isn't it? Well, how I did that medallion in the dining room, when we painted it, I took a rag and wiped over it, and it made it more pronounced. And then it showed more of the darker color underneath it would.
She didn't get that, did
She's
What, honey?
she? I said when Fred did.
Oh, because I couldn't do it.
She was down there instructing me how to.
See, you can't smell anything. There's no odor.
No.
It's non-toxic, which is hard to come by with the metallics.
Is it all water-based?
Water-based, non-toxic, no odor,
Wow.
eco-friendly, all that, all that good stuff.
If you have any health concerns, you don't have to worry about it with those.
Okay.
Do the side, and the bottom part.
That's pretty. It's really pretty.
I didn't get as much on this one, I don't think.
Do it on the bottom, on the side.
What? I don't understand what you're saying.
Let's see.
You know what
Here?
the side is? Yeah. That's the
Oh, we
side.
were gonna leave some of the
Yeah, but just streak it.
Oh, that's pretty.
rusty patina.
It looks like silk, doesn't it? Reminds me
Yeah.
of silk.
So pretty.
And I cannot keep my head up for a long time looking
Yeah.
up.
That's
So pretty.
Yeah, I wish I would have had that stuff when I was flipping furniture.
Right.
For all my hardware, I would buy new hardware. I would have never had to buy new hardware.
No, but I wanna do this.
Think about. 4 minutes.
Take it out of the camera.
You know what? I think maybe I'm going to.
You gonna wipe it? Wonder if it's already dried.
Oh my gosh, it is.
It dries very quickly.
Oh my. You didn't tell me that. Okay.
Penny, it's probably very porous too.
Oh yeah. It's very old too.
So you don't want to carry the metallics after them?
My goodness, I'm so glad you brought them.
She wasn't carrying.
I brought them because I knew what would
Yeah.
happen with the class. And they went nuts over them.
And to think I had him in the back of the car
I
for
know.
Ever since April, they've been in the back of my car.
Just happened to have that.
And I go, every time I get in the back seat, I go, Fred, we gotta get these over to the sandblasted.
So you could put a top coat on them, but I wouldn't. Because I think if even some of it comes off, it'll actually just add to the antiqueness of it. I wouldn't conceal it either.
I wouldn't.
What do you think?
I
If there were handles, I might.
You
But
think so?
like, I don't